pinakabagong Super Sentai. Paano nila pinalitan yung Pinay-Japanese actress na si Maya Imamori dun sa pinakabagong Super Sentai series sa Japan? On November 8, in-announce na natanggal nga ito si Maya Imamori as Goshu Unicorn sa #1 Sentai, Goshu Girl. Siya ang unang black female ranger sa buong series. At tatanggal siya because of underage drinking when she was caught at 19 years old. Legal age kasi to drink sa Japan is 20. So I drop her from the series, pati yung management niya. At ito na nga, pinalitan siya ni Kohako Shida playing the same character, Sumino Ichikawa. Kohako Shida previously played Haruka Kito or Yellow Ghost sa Avataro Sentai Dawn Brothers, which is also a Super Sentai series which was shown noong 2022. Pinalitan niya si Maya Imamori starting on the 40th episode. Talagang binilisan nito natanggalin si Maya Imamori sa series. Even the shooting scenes where she was still part of it. So siguro yung dahilan kaya they are still playing the same character. Kasi basically they are reshooting the scenes na nandun si Maya Imamori at napalitan nga siya ni Kohako Shida. Pati yung opening team nila ay inedit nila konti not to show her anymore. And even using a voice actress on the scenes na nakasuit siya to erase her voice. Now Kohako Shida is a veteran with these kinds of shows. And obviously, the production has a positive experience with her previous work. And lastly, hindi nila poproblemahin yung underage drinking as she is already 21 years old. Ikaw, may hawig ba si Maya Imamori kay Kohako Shida? Agree ka ba sa pagkakatanggal ni Maya Imamori do sa #1 Sentai Goshu Girl? So that's that.